Hey guys, what's up? So, I'm doing this video pretty much by request. A lot of you guys, when we've taken questions on Instagram, you ask me how I do my hair and like what I do to get my hair to look like this or that. Last time I did one, I used our matte paste and I blow dried it while we were in Atlanta, I think. And I'm going to change it up a little bit this time, mostly because you guys wanted to see a different product, but I'm going to use our clay pomade today. I am actually not going to use a blow dryer. I'm just going to throw it in. So, first question I get a lot is, how long is my hair? It's like that long, almost to the tip of my nose if I pull it. Secondly, you guys ask how I apply, and my hair is just, I just got out of the shower. It's still a little damp. I dried it when I got out, not with a blow dryer, just with a towel. Still a little damp, but I think mostly it's dry. So, what I'm going to do first, I just apply 1 scoop into towel dried hair. When I apply this, I'm going to make sure I coat all my hair pretty evenly. Man, my hair is actually super clean for once. Alright, so I'm going to do something a little different than maybe some of you guys do. Once I have the first scoop in, I'm actually going to go ahead and start styling it a little. You can use a comb or a brush. I'm using a comb this time, honestly, just because I used a brush last time and I was just trying to change it up as much as I could. So yeah, like I said, I'll take comb or brush with a single scoop and just style it how I'm planning on styling it. So now that I have 1 scoop in, I'm just going to take another scoop. Whoops. I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to definitely make sure that there's product on the outside of my hair and coat it again, kind of just rake it through, get some on top. That's what I do. For the sake of the video, I'm just going to finish it out with a comb, which is going to clean up the look a little bit more too than if I just left it with my fingers. So yeah, that's what I do. Thanks guys.